Once upon a time, there was a forest where plenty of birds lived and built their nests on the trees, where lived many kids of birds who always quarreled with one another. One day there was a rhino walking into this forest and saw that there was a lot of birds on the trees. Rhino,
Today, I feel very hungry. Go out to find the bird in this area eat better.
clean bird.
What will you do? Go out of the forest?
Rhino,
Why do I have to listen? Because I now very hungry.
the rhino that was huggy banged a tree with his horn until a nest of the green bird fell down. Then the rhino ate the nestling in that nest. The mother bird was very angry, but she could do nothing. After the rhino had eaten all the nestling, he walked away. All the birds gathered and discussed their opinion.
The rhino will surely come back again. We must get soldier to drive him away.
No. Rhino.
Rhino then came again, and this is a tree of yellow birds with green birds, make nests and chick of birds, yellow birds with green land. Red birds saw rhino into the trees. Birds and red birds fly into hell, carry the yellow birds with a green bird to a sail cage. Yellow birds has them. The red bird that fell to hell, their children. Yellow bird
I feel gutted. Not it have moved her to nest in the first pen, but I want to leave her, not eager to move to another.
I feel sad. I cannot believe she did the same. But it's okay. I will be happy to help them already.
after the birds of red and yellow birds have finished their progress, gather to create a nest to spring. More than ever, the red birds on a fire to remove the stone to help build a nest with bird yellow and green birds. Make its nest is strong more than ever to make their nest is cannot fall again. Moral of the story: a careful person will be safe from any danger. Thank you.